I just thought this was so stupid and ridiculous that I had to share it because, you know, my channel's kind of stupid and ridiculous. So. What's up, guys? Over here on the shop side of the bunker today, working on the old 2008 Dodge Caliber. I wasn't even going to make a video about this, I just wanted to get the project done and out of here, but this was such a stupid, convoluted, hillbilly way of trying to do an alignment here that I figured I'd make a video because that's perfect for this channel. I'll bring you in a little closer so you can see kind of exactly what I did. I have two of these smaller framing squares. I mean, come on, I'm a carpenter, not a mechanic. So what I did was bolt up the rotors tight, use some washers and a couple lugs, just two on each side. Then I put these framing squares on. I kind of indexed them so they're hitting here, here, and here on both sides. So they're, you know, roughly the same. We are sitting actually on the rotors. That's probably not the wisest thing in the world, but, you know, I wanted to get this suspension up to like a ride height. So I have this laser. If you can see the dot down there. Oh, probably not. I have this magnetic laser. There you go, if you can see the dot down there. So what I did was loosen up the tie rod ends. I got the steering wheel straight. And then I just pulled a measurement from this point to the same point on the other side. A measurement from, I think I tried to stay in as much as I could, from this point to the same point on the other side. And this point is about 1/16 narrower than this one, which gives me a slight toe in, which is what you want. Steering wheel is straight. Lasers are hitting in about the same spot on either tire. So get the tie rods all tightened back up, and hey, it worked out well enough for me. So it worked out perfectly. How do I know that? I don't know that. I haven't taken it out yet. But if you're seeing this video, it worked out perfectly. So I just wanted to show you what I did real quick. Just a quick alignment. If you have a decent car, I wouldn't recommend doing this, but I don't own decent cars, so I just wing it. You got any questions, leave them down below. I can get a little more detailed about it, I suppose. That's about it. When I come up with another quick tip, I'll make another video and put it up, and maybe I'll see you guys on that video. Out on the crown of the road here, steering wheel is pretty straight. We're tracking pretty well. It's not really wandering. Call it good. Haha! I told you it worked!